Namaskar. In this short clip, we are going to study about magnetic force. As magnetic force, we generally talk about the force on charged particle. In magnetism, there are different type of forces also, as the magnetic force on any loop or any wire placed in external magnetic field, etc. So we will not talk about that forces. We will only just about the magnetic force on a charged particle which is moving in an external magnetic field. Okay. So before proceeding to our lecture, I have request to make sure this channel be subscribed by you so that you can get easy notifications by pressing the bell icon also for the upcoming lectures. And before leaving this lecture, please leave a feedback comment in the comment section so that which may help me to increase my quality lectures. So without any time wasting, let us start our magnetic force. So we will discuss about its magnitude as well as both direction. So in magnetic force, if I assume that a charged particle of charge q is moving in an external magnetic field B is our magnetic field, with velocity V is the velocity of that charged particle. If I have assumed that q is the charge of that charged particle and which is moving with velocity V in external magnetic field B is our external magnetic field. So there will be a force exerted on that charged particle whose value we can show in vector form as F is equal to QV cross B. Okay, so this is our vector form, or from this vector form we can find out its magnitude also. So V and V is our velocity and B is our magnetic field. So the force exerted on that charged particle due to the magnetic field will be as much as F is equal to Q V cross B. In vectors, we have studied about how the vector product is opened. So V cross B can be written as VB sin theta. As we know that V cross B is equal to VB sin theta. N cap. N cap is the unit normal vector to the plane containing V and B, and where this V and this B are the magnitude of the vector V and the vector B. And sine theta is the angle between vector V and vector B. If in this direction there is B and in this direction here is our V vector, that is velocity, in this direction velocity of the charged particle, and in this direction external magnetic field B is applied, and there will, if there is an angle theta in between V and B, then V cross B can be written as VB sin theta. Okay, and n cap is the unit normal vector which this plane containing V and B. According to our right hand thumb rule, we can show the direction of n cap also. So by writing the value of V cross B in this equation, we get F is equal to Q V B sin theta n cap. If I want to write its magnitude, then magnitude of F vector will become as Q V B sin theta only. Okay. If there is theta is 90 degree, then force magnitude will become Q V B only, because sin 90 is 1. If theta is 0, that is V and B are both parallel, then in case of theta is equal to 0, it implies V is parallel to B. In that case, the force will become as 0. Magnitude of force will be 0 because sine 0 is 0. Done. So these are the type of special cases also in the magnetic force. So our magnitude and direction. So the direction of this magnetic force, can you show that in which direction the force will exert on that charged particle? The direction will be shown by this cross product, that will be n cap. So V cross B gives a vector which which will be perpendicular to the plane containing vector V and vector B. So you can say that if, as we know that A is equal to B cross C, in that case the vector A is perpendicular to both vector B as well as A is perpendicular to C. So A is perpendicular to B as well as is perpendicular to C if A is equal to B cross C. So this, according to this concept, we can say that F will be F. Force will be perpendicular to both the velocity vector and force will perpendicular to the magnetic field also. Done. So this will be direction of the magnetic force. Done. So in the next lecture we will talk about electric force. Till then, have a good day.